Well, we need Greenland for national security purposes. People really don't even know if Denmark has any legal right to it. But if they do, they should give it up. But if they did do that, then I would tariff Denmark at a very high level.
That was President-elect Donald Trump speaking yesterday from Mar-a-Lago, where, as you heard, he threatened Denmark with tariffs. Shares of Novo Nordisk recovering a bit today after the fall that we got from the comments yesterday. You're looking at early action. Just today's trading, you can see the stock up about 2%. But for more on how Trump's potential plans could impact the Danish drug maker, we want to bring Yahoo Finance's Anjalee Khemlani. And how big of a potential risk is this for Novo Nordisk?
Basically unknown. We also know that Novo Nordisk has U.S. presence, so it has manufacturers. It just invested about $11 billion in expanding that, of course, for the GLP-1s in large part. And so what the impact on this company could be is yet unknown, and possibly nothing. If the company decides to kind of shift more of its focus on the U.S. presence, it could do that. And it already has such a large U.S. presence with the products that are coming in and being and manufactured here. Meanwhile, Denmark itself is also a producer of hearing aids, which we know has been a really big focus in terms of more affordable healthcare products and medical care products for the elderly through Medicare in particular. So that would be counterintuitive. Essentially, there have been conversations among investors, we've seen in some notes, where the idea that maybe some of these key products, the pharmaceutical products, could be exempt from those tariffs, in large part because it would go counter to Trump's focus on lowering healthcare costs. So you've got a sort of competing commentary here when it comes to that idea.
So how would the tariffs on Denmark impact or insulate some of the competitors as well, who have even more of an ability to manufacture here in the U.S.?
Specifically Eli Lilly, right? So of course, Eli Lilly has a large U.S. presence here. It is a main manufacturer here. We've also seen a difference in kind of the way the U.S. government has been looking at Eli Lilly versus Novo Nordisk. For example, Novo Nordisk's products, the GLP-1s, Wegovy and Ozempic, are potentially going to be on Medicare's drug price negotiation list in the upcoming years. Meanwhile, no word necessarily on Lilly. So there's already, and we also saw Novo Nordisk CEO in front of Congress last year. So there's been a lot of focus on the company, on foreign products. And so it's likely that Eli Lilly would benefit from this. You're seeing the company's stock up a little bit there as well.
Anjalee, thanks so much. Appreciate it.